Nagabenta ki khubor baman kasni pet but subscribe ya u Antonio. Kajula Meghalaya kan sapau perthei hadin baka Shillong Medical College kan sasdang no shen ya kaba on play haka atmudutrik Nailur penpau ka Dr. Amperin Emling do menteri katnat ka kot ka kya. Ha gajingya lang berkilat pathai khubor ha secretariat. Kiblai yad ha gajingya lang de Dr. Joram Beda IS Commissioner and Secretary of Health but Dr. Nicola Yangrai, Director jangka Shillong Medical College. Ka Dr. Lingdo kala kentu baka college kala yo kijing bit but sanction but notification ki bala ban sapendap hagani kasnem academic. Ka college kanya chasan pho ki student haki kadan bapher ne undergraduate but kabenta ka baan ne second round ban counseling ki class kila ban zdang hakatayo bakhatdu jang unai lur. Hadin baki kena apuli glala ban penbiangi ki kot kisla ban penshisha. Bar ka bayrung jimpuli ki bakwa apuli doktor na admission kalong lai pau hajar tyngka. Ka college kan yad baki hospital sorkar ki badon haka 8 lane 12 km kumki teaching hospital. Kalapan pauru baka college kalayo jingmut ban ai ki subject bala pentbet kerpang ne specialization course hakapor bakhamba. Nrei ki doktor kila ban kentiu kabenta chongki haki hospital sorkar Meghalaya. Ka Shillong Medical College kaladon ki professor, khandriu ki associate professors, arphon na arphulai ki briu appointed, assistant professors arpsan ki briu ki bidon ki klat. Ka Shillong Medical College kalayadei halis All India, Jongki Medical College dan National Medical Commission NMC kabapenya ba ka college ka ngotho bat ka yad ka standard jong ka jela bakari India. Ka initiative kani kan penyaj ka kamai medical education Meghalaya ka ai benta syaki doktor ki bakmi bat ka kali ki service healthcare ha ka jela.
Very joyful day for the Department of Health as well as the government of Meghalaya because we have received information in writing and we have received a copy of the letter of permission sanctioned and notified by the NMC listing the Shillong Medical College as one of the colleges that have been approved by the NMC for functioning from this year's session, which is 25-26. Intake capacity of students is 50. We are now prepared for the starting of this session. We are also pleased to inform the candidates who have a wish and are qualified to apply for these MBBS seats as per the sanction of the government of Meghalaya, alongside with the counselling for the Shillong Medical College. Total number of seats received for the Shillong Medical College stands at 50. However, we are also happy to inform you that Meghalaya continues to get its quota from the pool of government sanctions. 94 number of seats have been allotted to the state of Meghalaya into various institutions, inclusive of institutions like Negrams, like RIMS Infant. So, in total, our students today who have a wish to study and pursue a career in MBBS have a better option. And this is important, a big game changer for the state of Meghalaya. And yes, most importantly, our students now will be totally bounded to function within the state of Meghalaya, thereby automatically also attending to this acute shortage of doctors in our government facilities across the state. The medical college now is also poised to begin the specialization courses, which will be rolled out as and when the medical college progresses forward. So again, we will be lucky that our own doctors can avail a career progression while being in government services. There was a shortage of faculty at that point of time, which was raised as one of the concerns by the NMC in its visit of inspection to the state of Meghalaya. However, we have progressed ahead and we are assuring not just the people of the state of Meghalaya, we have to qualify as per NMC norms. And NMC has given us the clearance and has listed the Shillong Medical College in the All India list of the NMC. So we will not qualify if there was any ambiguity in all of these matters. Year 1, anatomy, physiology, biochem. We have to ensure that faculty from these three main departments are available to teach the courses to the students, and we are at that stage now. Now you want to know how many professors there are? We need actually 8 professors. We already have 16 professors. Sorry, we need 16 professors. We already have 8 to begin the medical college. We need associate professors 23. We have already
20.
20.
Associate is 20.
20
17.
and we already have 17. Assistant professors, we have 25 out of 25 already in position. Senior residents, out of the total of 23, we already have 21. And tutors and demonstrators, we need a total of 15 such experts. We already have 12. And we are now ongoing to strengthen this entire remaining shortfall. Like I told you earlier, for a state as remote as Meghalaya, fortunately Shillong is not as remote. It is difficult to make all these posts available because we have to have a competitive scale of salary, competitive facilities for professors, competitive, everything is there. So professor will only come if it is suitable for the professor. And hence, to bring them across has been one of the greatest challenge, which is why we are so grateful to the team of officers and the intervention of the Honorable Chief Minister, who made sure that we had the necessary essential teaching faculty at the first instance. And therefore today it is with great pride and honor that I will introduce you to the director of the Shillong Medical College. Madam herself is an experienced faculty, ENT surgeon at RIMS. Let her introduce herself so that you can ask the director all the detailed questions. Round of counseling is scheduled from the 26th of September this year. We finished round 1, which is a counseling for the P.A. Sangma International Medical College at USTM. Now we are actually embarking into the second cycle, and it is this cycle which is inclusive of all the medical seats that have been allotted by the government of India for the state of Meghalaya. So in total, we will start, we've already advertised. This advertisement for second round or second cycle of counseling is well ahead, and we are now at the stage of verification of documents of applicants. So classes meant to start by around by around September last week.
One related question.
This is an all India
schedule.
schedule. It is not about what the government of Meghalaya is doing. This is what is happening all across for all NEET qualified students.
It's
Well,
all the
about
NEET
the-
UG schedule.
One related question. Recently you admitted
Courses that are already available in the system. So if you look at the number of professors, look at this assistant professors, 25 out of 25, which means our own
In-service
faculty in-service doctors are already eligible to get there. So you have a systemic support, which otherwise if you didn't have, to get is very, very challenging. You have to make sure that this firstly is attended to. Now these professors, again, because of so many complications in the state of Meghalaya, so many things have to be relaxed to ensure that professors also are eligible to apply. So it is not such a simple thing to conform to the norms.
It's very stringent.
Very stringent norms. We have many systems in operation in the state of Meghalaya. We cannot at any point of time compromise any one of these baskets. Very difficult. Nevertheless, we are doing it. If you talk about the Tura Medical College, that's a different game. That's a different story altogether. We will discuss it at a later stage when we are ready. Right now, we are not even at the stage of being ready.
It's a work in progress.
Work
So
in
it's a
progress.
work in progress.
When we are ready, we'll come to you. But do not confuse these two.
will it impact our medical college? Our own medical college, will it impact PSM?
You are now making the playing field more extensive. PA Samma International Medical College is a private entity. This is a government entity. We may not have as many seats to accommodate all applicants. So we are very happy that in the state of Meghalaya, which was once a distant dream, you already have 100 seats. Plus in PA Samma, you're going to start the second batch. So look at the kind of opportunity that you are opening out for the people. All technical matters withstanding, we are determined to take this to the best heights possible. It was very difficult to reach here. Now that we've reached here, let us jubilate, let us be happy, let us take it up as a challenge, and let us make sure that we immediately attend in the next 5 years the acute shortage of doctors in our facilities all across the state of Meghalaya.
Well, for Meghalaya students,
The Shillong Medical College is a college which is referred to as a brownfield college, which means that we already have existing hospitals within a radius of 8 to 12 kilometers
8
approximately.
kilometers. Within
8 to 12 kilometers approximately, and these two hospitals automatically become the teaching hospitals of this medical college, which means that there was no need for us to raise a hospital from the ground just for the running or the teaching of this medical college. Now we've not even started the institute. It would be preemptive to believe that we will not have state-of-the-art teaching facilities. There is no doubt that it will take time for the Shillong Medical College to get the necessary grading in the all India pattern. But you cannot also presume that we will not be one of the best. We are starting, the journey is just starting now, and we are confident that we will be able to ensure quality, ensure excellence in our bid to teach.
one clarification.
Challenges because, as ma'am has said, it's a brownfield project. we need to make more, hostels, and then most probably next year we'll be taking more students. So it depends. There will be many things. It's a big challenge.
Where are the hospital facilities?
The hostel facilities are there for both the boys and the girls. It's there in Pasture Institute. We are working on it.
So I can tell you about the hostel because that the minister also had clarified earlier. So we have the old units which were earlier occupied by Negrams. We have about 11 units, 12 units, the proper quarters. So those we are designating and renovating as hostels. It's already near
Job
completion.
improvements.
Yeah, work in progress.